Today I'm gonna share with you how I make my chicken wings. It's very easy. I make the sauce, ketchup, Salz, vegetables bruise or chicken bruise, Maggi Spice, Tomaten Pasta, if you like some chili, I like it a little bit, soya sauce, honey, 1 spoon honey, mix everything good together. It is a little bit thick, so I add some soya sauce. Now it's ready. So now it's ready for packing. Ready, time to eat. This is tahina. You found how to do it in the link above this side. And this is flat bread, so or Lebanese bread. So that's it.